Updating your payment information on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains active in your billing details account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website or open the Netflix app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Update payment information. In the account settings, find the Membership and Billing section. Click on Update Payment Information to proceed to the Payment Details page. Step 4. Enter new payment details. You will be prompted to enter your new payment information. Fill in the required fields including your credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment details, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your payment information. Now your payment information is updated, and you can continue enjoying your Netflix subscription without interruption.